question that comes up often on our videos is what all goes into this ground beef? And more specifically, how many different steers or how many different animals are in one pack of ground beef? So collectively, we process all of our steers the same way and they all go into the same freezers. But this pack of ground beef is going to be single source. It's all coming from the same steer. It's coming from, the parts that we grind, the trim, the brisket that everybody loves. Each pack is going to be contained to one steer. So while in a full freezer full of beef, you get 20 packs from us. That may be from several different steers. Each individual pack is going to be from its own steer.